So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AD and ND. Today AD is here, so we are going to do an entertaining challenge that is
Tongue Twister Challenge. So why to waste time? Let's start our entertaining challenge.
So, first of all, I'll explain the rule of the challenge. That is, suppose I'll give one tongue twister to AD and AD has to say that tongue twister 5 times. And if he doesn't say that tongue twister, he has to eat these lemons without giving an expression. This is an punishment.
Okay then, why to waste time? Let's start our challenge.
Okay, then we'll do stone, paper, scissors. So we'll know that who will give tongue twister first. So, stone, paper, scissors. Friends.
Stone, paper, scissors.
Friends.
Stone, paper, scissors.
Friends.
Oh, stone, paper, scissors.
Okay. So I have won the stone, paper, scissors. So I'll give an tongue twister to AD. The tongue twister is समझ समझ के समझ को समझो.
समझ समझ के समझ को समझो. समझ समझ के समझ को समझो. समझ समझ के समझ को समझो. समझ समझ के समझ को समझो. समझ समझ के समझ को समझो.
Okay, that was great. There will be 7 rounds of this tongue twister. Now, first round is going on. Now, AD, you will give me the tongue twister. So, AD, give me an tongue twister, please.
पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला.
Okay. पीतल के पपीते में पपीता पीला पीला. पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला. पीतल के पपीते में पपीता पीला पीला. पीतल के पतीले. Is it wrong?
Yes.
Yeah.
Looks like Neeru wants to eat a lemon.
Okay, so
Okay. No expressions.
I have eaten this lemon. Okay, so first round is finished. Now it's time for second round. And I'm going to give a tongue twister to Eddie. So,
Give a little bit
harder.
Simpler.
Huh. It's in English, huh? Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you
Fast.
scream. Ice cream, you scream, we scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream.
It was wrong. It was ice cream,
Oh.
you scream, we all scream for ice cream. You have to eat this lemon. Show in the camera.
So this is the lemon that I'm going to eat just now.
Show that, please. No expressions. Show this.
So I've eaten this lemon as per the rules.
Okay, now it is going to give me a tongue twister.
Okay. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तूल गया.
Okay. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया. Is it right?
Yes.
तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया. तोला राम ताला तोल के तेल में तुल गया. 5 times.
Okay.
So second round is finished. Now it's time for third round. Okay, so it's third round and I'm going to give Arnav and tongue twister. The tongue twister for AD is Let me search. Okay, this tongue twister everybody knows, that is कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा
It was wrong. It was wrong. So you have to eat this lemon. Show to camera.
This is the lemon. Yeah, it's a big slice of lemon.
Hold it. Yeah. And then no expressions. Okay, so Arnav AD has got
Full lemon.
his punishment. Now it's my turn. AD, please tell my tongue twister.
So it would be जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
It's hard. Okay. जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, 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 जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
Looks like lemon. All lemons are for me only.
Okay, now it's round 4. Okay, now it's time for round 4, and in round 4 I'm going to give a tongue twister to AD. For you, the tongue twister is I'll give you simple, means not simple. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू के चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. See.
चांदनी रात.
Okay, wait. I'll give you a simple one. हाँ. दुबई में डूब गया.
दुबई में डूब गया. दुबई में डूब गया. दुबई में डूब गया. दुबई में डूब गया. दुबई में डूब गया.
Okay, it's 5 times. Okay. Now it's 4th round, my turn. So AD is going to give me. So take this.
Now the next tongue twister for Andy will be डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली.
डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली किसी ने. Sorry. Please tell me again.
Okay. So it's like डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली.
Okay. डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली. डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली. डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली. डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली. डाली डाली पर नजर डाली किसी ने अच्छी डाली किसी ने बुरी डाली. Yes. So round 4 finished. It's time for round 5. Okay, so now it's time for round 5. AD, for you the tongue twister is it's very small. कच्चा कद्दू पक्का कद्दू.
कच्चा कद्दू पक्का कद्दू कच्चा कद्दू पक्का कद्दू कच्चा कद्दू पक्का कद्दू कच्चा कद्दू पक्का कद्दू कच्चा कद्दू पक्का कद्दू.
Okay, so he has done very good. Now it's my turn in round 5. So
tongue twister for Andy will be चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
okay, first I'll do a trial.
Okay.
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू के चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चमचे चटनी चढ़ाई। चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चमचे चटनी चढ़ाई। चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चमचे चटनी चढ़ाई। चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चमचे चटनी चढ़ाई।
It was great.
Thank you. Now it's now the round 5 is finished. It's time for sixth round and second last round. Next, for round 6, I'll give Eddie a tongue twister. Tongue twister is can I give you an hard?
Oh, not possible.
हाँ, नदी किनारे है किराने की दुकान।
नदी किराने है किराना दुकान.
It was नदी किनारे. Say
Yeah,
again.
I
Okay.
said it. नदी किनारे है किराने की दुकान. नदी किनारे है किराने की दुकान. नदी किनारे है
It was wrong. Lemon. Eat it. Come on. No expressions. No expressions. No expressions.
This was better than the earlier ones.
I know. Eat it. Show to the.
Okay, so I ate this full.
Okay. Now it's my turn for sixth round. Okay. So give me an turn.
So the next tongue twister for Andy will be double bubble gum bubble double.
Oh. Okay. Can you repeat it, please? Last.
Yes. Double bubble gum bubble double.
Double bubble gum bubble double. Double bubble gum bubble double. Double. Okay, so I'm ready to eat the lemon. Okay, so I'm ready to eat this lemon. Okay. Yeah.
This would be bitter. How's it? Expression.
18.
Yeah, this was surely bitter.
So I've eaten the lemon. Now it's time for last round. Okay, so let's start the last round. Okay guys, so let's start with our last round, that is 7th round. So I'll give a tongue twister to AD. The tongue twister for AD is Chanda chamke cham cham, cheeke chaukana chor.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीका चौचने चोर.
चीके
चौचना चोर. चंदा चमचे चम चम
chamke.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीके चोचे.
No, he's out, so he has to eat the lemon.
This is the lemon. With no expression, I'm going to eat it.
Okay. Come on, Eddie, come on. No expressions.
Yeah, bitter one expression should be there.
It's very bitter. See, it's finished, guys. See, it's finished. So now it's my turn. Now Eddie is going to give me a tongue
Think so,
twister.
like the levels are proceeding, or we are proceeding. The lemons are getting more bitter.
Yes, so it's now my turn. You give me a tongue twister. So guys, AD has given me an tongue twister, that is he can't say, but it is ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. So I have to say that 5 times.
Yes, it's
Okay.
That's right.
ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंट.
You have to eat the lemon.
Okay, I'll eat. Okay, see the lemon.
No expirations, no expirations, no expirations.
Very bitter. So guys, this challenge is finished. So guys, for today this much only. For our more entertaining and exciting challenges, please do hit like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified our new ever videos.
Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.
And if you are going out, please follow the precautions like wear the mask on your nose and sanitize your hands and
Social distancing.
social distancing. So till then, stay home, stay safe, stay entertained. Bye.